Hi, kindergartners. We're doing ELA. We are readers. Retell Harry the Dirty Dog. Our learning target for today's lesson is I will retell the story Harry the Dirty Dog. So I am going to tell in my words who the characters are, where the story took place, and what happened in the beginning, middle, and end of the story Harry the Dirty Dog after listening to it several times. Our success criteria for today's lesson is I can draw or write what happened in the beginning, middle, and end of Harry the Dirty Dog. And I can retell the story, telling the characters, setting, and what happened in the beginning, middle, and end of Harry the Dirty Dog. So I'm going to tell what happened, and I'm going to draw what happened in the beginning of the story. I'm going to draw or write what happened in the middle, what event, and the ending event. I'm going to write or draw of the story, Harry the Dirty Dog. And then I'm going to use my story hand, and then I'm going to tell who the characters, settings, and what happened in the beginning, middle, and end in my own words. So go ahead and tell someone today's learning target and success criteria. Bye for now.